All right, y'all, we are in our RV in a campground having an awesome Sunday night dinner with our brand new glass beverage dispensers. These are about 1 gallon each, so we got 2-gallon dispensers right here. What says summer more than just your fun favorite drink on an awesome Sunday night? With family coming over, and we got Nana here and Pop right behind the camera. We are getting our drink on, but check this out. So you can obviously see we're in the middle of making this, and I thought I'd pause for a second to show you guys all the ins and outs. Now, obviously you can fill this up with ice, drop that right in there. It's not ready to go in there, but I'm just gonna show you really quick how that goes in, and then it keeps all of this nice and cold. You get 4 of them. You get one that is sealed for ice, and then you get one that has these little slits in there.
So you can put fresh fruit in here, or you can make some iced tea by putting your favorite tea bags in there.
We are going to be making up a special concoction. We got the Starry, we got the grenadine, and we have oranges. Now, if you're not as creative or you only know how to make one drink, we got you covered right here. We got a bunch of different recipes right here. 20 signature recipes that comes with these drink mixes so that you can explore and have some fun, just like what we are doing on a awesome Sunday night dinner. Look at that. Just check that out. We got some awesome dinner and drinks happening. We got a meat pasta bake and we got some drinks. My wife's gonna make this new drink that we found in the recipe book. So we're gonna tell you how it works or how it tastes here in just a second. So obviously it's orange juice, mango juice, and pineapple juice right there.
So you're not supposed to mix it. So you get that beautiful sunset color. So then you'll add your Sprite right before your guests arrive. And you'll just pop ice right down the middle. This will keep it nice and cold. And then it comes with your lid here. And if you want to take this outside, you have these little air bubbles. So if you put anything carbonated in here, you need to kind of undo these holes. So the silicone lid just slips right on. But if you're outdoors, you want to make sure to kind of cover it lightly so you don't get any bugs crawling down in there.
Ooh,
But that's beautiful. And then you can garnish with pineapple or orange slices on your glass.
Look at that brass, the copper. Look at that copper handle right there.
What I love about this, it comes with this non-slip pad you put down on this beautiful wood base. Look at that. I think this is super pretty. You can use this for weddings, parties, family events.
Sunday night dinners.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love the copper color. And then it also comes with a couple of these little cute chalkboard labels that comes with some twine that you tie around and a chalkboard marker that you can label what drink it is. So it's beautiful. I really love these. I think it's my favorite drink dispenser that I have seen.
I guess it's my time to mix up the next concoction, which is the Sprite that's going to go in this drink.
For your Sprite in here right before your guests arrive. So it keeps the carbonation. And I'm just trying to pour this in slowly so it doesn't mix the beautiful colors up, because that's what gives us the look of a beautiful sunset. All right, so here's your little label you can put on your drinks. You just turn this to the left. And garnish it with a little orange, a little pineapple. Here you go. It's your perfect vacation drink.